Hi, it's Linda here at Linda's Loft, and I just wanted to hop on here really quick and show you I just finished what I'm auctioning off at my store for my 1-year anniversary. Let me get back here so you can see the whole thing. I took an old Christmas lantern and turned it to a 4th of July lantern or a Memorial Day lantern. Let me turn my music down. Anyways, it's red, white, and blue, and it's perfect because you could set it on your front porch, or you could set it in the middle of a big table. You could do all kinds of stuff with it, but let me just open this really quick here so you can peek inside. So I lined the bottom of it with red, white, and blue. It's just an old placemat that I cut and put in there. And then I tore some of this mesh, or not tore it, put it in the bottom. And then I have two little, one is red and white striped, like a jar, and the other one's blue with white stripes, and I have red, white, and blue carnations in them. And then I have some stars that I made, and then I also put one of these little freedom with the beads that you hang and decorate, stuff like that in your store. Or in your store. I do it in my store. You do it in your house, on your hearth or whatever. And then if you turn it this way, you can see I have a star that I made that I put in there on that side. I'm so pleased how this turned out. Let me close it back up here. Here's this side. Okay. And then this is the back, but I put some stars in there, and I put my star in there that sideways, so the back wouldn't, if it's in the middle of a table or something, it'd have something to look at on the other side. But isn't that so cute? I love, 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 love it so much. Anyways, the lantern sells for $75, and I've put, like $30 worth in there. So let's just say it's worth $105 total. And you could get it for free. All you have to do is come to Linda's Loft, pop in and write down your email, and I'm taking all the emails and I'm putting them in, let me turn this around. Okay, oh my gosh, I always put my hair behind my ear. So you could put it on, I'm putting it in a little thing. It's going to be here in my store next weekend, as I've been advertising, is my 1-year anniversary. So I've been open a year already, you guys. I can't believe it. And it's been so much fun. So the lantern can be yours, and you could get it, and you could win it. And on Saturday, let's see, at 4 o'clock. Let's do Saturday at 4 o'clock. I will be holding the raffle live, so you could see who won this lantern. It's beautiful, and I would love to have it on my front porch, and I hope you would too. So come on in, fill out your email address, and then once you get on my emailing list, you don't ever miss out any of the fun things that are happening at Linda's Loft. There's always something fun going on here. So come on by. Today is Friday, and I'm getting ready for the weekend, and I still haven't done my other hearth. I just have still stuff I need to make. But anyways, I just wanted to pop on really quick and show you this beautiful lantern that you guys could win. So come on by and enter, and I hope whoever gets it loves it. So come on back and check it out. Have a great Friday. Have a great weekend, everyone. If you're not coming up here, bummer. If you live here, yay. The weather's going to be beautiful this weekend. It's starting to get warm, so I think we're definitely over winter. Spring is here for sure. So everyone, have a blessed weekend. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a great day.